I'm just going to wrap it up real quick. We got about a half hour. Anything could happen. But we seem somewhat indecisive on the market. I don't know. It looks like the momentum's rolling around. You might try to make a lower low. Today's not as aggressive as I thought. We were down about 80 bucks, 80 points at one point, I believe. 284. Yeah, maybe 75 points at one point. We're kicking around 57, 60 points, somewhere down right now. It could get aggressive. It looks like it might sell off a little bit, but I mean, who knows? I really thought people would be closing positions going over the weekend. They still happen. May be institutions that just don't want to carry trades. It looks like the momentum is fading off a little bit. I mean, we're setting up for a nice trend reversal. I would like to see it come down, maybe tag that 222, 220 on Monday. That would do me just fine. Even if it closed down there, probably end up in a hammer. That's what I'm thinking we're going to get. Now, you know what? Maybe one more day down. Maybe Wednesday might give us, Tuesday might give us a hammer and turn around. I'm still feeling a little bullish. This is going to be a quickie. I'm not going to do much. It's Friday. My head's not in it. Made a few bucks today. We did all right. Can't complain. Let's get rid of that trend line. Just take a look. This is the weekly. And I don't know. We're getting a reversion. Market's pushing down a little more aggressively than it did last week. Just a little. I think we're finding a bottom, ladies and germs. Maybe waiting for one more flush out. Can't be the Fed because we know what's going on there, right? So something's just got to scare us. Maybe Putin gets an itchy trigger finger. That's about it. I'm not going to go through everything. This is a quickie. It's the weekend. Everybody enjoy your weekend. Get a little peace, a little joy. Maybe do some home projects. All right. Have a good weekend. Good luck trading on